Hey guys, what's up? So, another episode of how to solve counting values in HackerRank. So, what is this exercise? It's quite simple. You get a string of chars of D or U in uppercase, and now you need to calculate values. So, what does the D's and U's mean? And there is a person that is walking a distance, and each char is a step that he's doing. D means he goes down, up means he goes up. So he wants to track everything and to know how many valleys did he pass through. So just an example for, let's say, DD, UE. Okay, so first of all, we have the plane. This is the sea level. Think about it as sea level. And now we have the steps that our nice person does. So we will start from here. Or it really does not matter from where. Well, he starts from zero anyway. So he starts from here and then he has one step down. Okay, so this is D. Okay, this is not D, but this is D. And now he has another step down. So it's D, D. And now he goes one step up, that's mean U, and another step up. And he's back to sea level. So this is one valley. And now he can go back one more up, and maybe one more down, and another one down, and another one down, and one up, one down, one up, and one up. So as you can see here, we have another valley, even though it's a bit uglier valley, but it's still a valley. So now we need to make sure that we can calculate it in code. Let's go to our function, counting values. I'm doing it now in JavaScript, but the idea is the same in any other language. I already prepped some test file for us for later, and we could see that currently it fails because I just had a mock test to start from. Okay, so first counting values, I don't think we really need n because in JavaScript you don't really need to know what is the array size. You just get it from the string itself. So let's start from the string and calculate our steps. So we have steps, and we'll get it from s by splitting it with an empty string. And you will see that your steps is now an array of characters. Currently it's only U and D. So let's make this test a bit more interesting. We'll take it right from here. I can't copy it, so D D U U U U D D D D D U U U and to this. Okay. And now we can see it right here, all the steps that we have. Now, after we have the steps, we want to go through them and start calculating stuff. So just do a quick math function. And let's say where we are for start. I will call this level. Currently, we are all starting from level 0. This is in the exercise definition. So we will first want to calculate our next step as level equals, say, step equals 0. If so, level equals level plus 1. If not, it equals level minus 1. Because if it's not U, it will be D. We're not really checking for other stuff, but let's assume that we are getting only D or U. Okay? So now we can console log it here again, and we will see everything going down, going down, going up, going up, going up, going up, going down, going down. All right? Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now we continue our code. And after we now have the level, we need to know when it went down and when it went up. So let's have another flag here, and let's say is new valley. So I want to know if I'm going below sea level, that means that I'm starting a new valley. And whenever I go back to sea level, if is new valley is true, that means that I just completed a valley. And if I'm going up from the sea level, so we don't need to turn on the new valley flag. So let's do something here. If level is lower than 0 and is new valley is false, that means that is new valley is now true, because we were on the sea level and then we went down. So if we went down, that means that we are starting a new valley. We are not sure if we'll complete it, but we are starting a new valley. Now let's do another check, because we still need to see what we are doing here. And let's say if level, use the Python here, and equals 0 and is new valley, that means that we are now below level. Well, not now, before this loop we were below level and we just went another step up. So we are back to level 0, but new valley is turned on because we just went down below 0 a step before, or several steps before. So now we have is new valley equals false, because we got back to sea level. So this old valley or previous valley is now turned off, if you can say turned off. And we need to count the levels. So let's say, not levels, valleys. We'll start valleys from 0, and we'll do valleys plus. Okay, great. And I think we are done right here on valleys. Now let's see how our test is doing. To be 0, okay, this is not right anyway. So we have down, down, up, 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 down, down. So it should be 1. Okay, we are good. Let's add another test just to see. Okay, the name should have a single value. It should have no values. So let's try and draw it out here. Can I erase everything? Just do Command Z for now. So let's say that we are starting from 0 again. So 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 up, 1 down, 1 down. As you can see here, sea level is right here and no values at all. So let's do it right here. 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 up, 1 down, 1 down. We're good. Let's do another one. And let's do now 1 up, 1 down, 1 down, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 up. So as you can see here, this is the sea level. We have one hill and we are going down, and we have just a single valley, even though it's a bit an ugly valley, but it's still a single valley. So it will be up, down, down, down. Okay, I want to remember that. Up, down, 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 up, down, up, up. So it will have a single one as well. Very good. Now let's do a double valley. And this should be with something like this. Goes down, goes up, goes down, goes down, goes up, goes up. And now we have here two valleys, small one and a big one. So down, up, down, down, up, up. Yep. So we got that to pass as well. So I think our function is good. So the next step is just to push it to HackerRank and let their tests run. But I already did it, so I know it's good. So hope it helps. Hope everybody enjoyed it and have a great day. Bye bye.